Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing really good. Today is a very special day for me because today I am going to bake a cake. I love baking cakes because cakes are so yummy and so delicious. Both me and my bunu, we both love baking cakes. But it's not a fact that we never actually made a cake. This is our second time in our life making a cake, but that's absolutely fine. First of all, we are making Oreo cake and that is so easy to make, and I'm 100% sure that we cannot mess this up, can we? That's why, first of all, we separated the cream and the biscuits of the Oreos, and we used 2 packets of Oreos. And I crushed it very finely inside the that bag. I forgot the name, Ziploc bag. Then I added baking powder and some milk. Yeah, and the cream. I melted down the cream, the cream that we separated before, and then now we add our milk. And then mistake started. By mistakenly spilled some milk, but that's all right. And then I figured out I added too much milk, so I had to fix it somehow. So I just added a little bit more the biscuit mixture, and then it was fine. And we put like the baking sheet at the bottom, and it goes in the microwave. And here it is, our masterpiece. The cake turned out so super amazing. I literally couldn't believe myself. Like, I know that anybody, even a kid, could make it, but a moment of appreciation for all of us. It's just so amazing. And you all guys can also try it at home. It's totally worth it because no matter how you do it, it's gonna be amazing. Then I just wanted to put some chocolate in the middle, so I made a circle and I cut off the cake excess, and then I put the chocolate, and then I'm putting the rest of the mixture on top, and then I'm putting all my chocolate mixture, and then finally I'm giving it with some little bit of cake crust. And after that, the decoration part, and then slice it off, have it. It's so delicious, and I was too amazed by myself. Like, I did it, and also my bunu did it. We both did it, but it was so super good. Totally recommended. If you want a late night snack or normal just a dessert, probably this recipe. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye. Masalam.